This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 8, Skylight, LP Detector, air conditioning, awning, water heater, oven, microwave, CO Detector, Slideout, stove top burner, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.